5 plus 3 equals 8 and minus 1 and times 4. Now 8 minus 1 equals 7 times 4. Now 7 times 4 equals 28. But this is wrong. Why? Because first of all, parentheses must be done before addition. So inside the parentheses first. Then after parentheses, multiplication must be done before addition. So 5. So inside the parentheses first, 3 minus 1 equals 2 times 4. Now multiplication must be done before addition. Now 5 plus 2 times 4 equals 8, and 5 plus 8 equals 13.